Alright guys, good morning. It's around 4 a.m. right now and we are on our way to Mount Snow in Vermont from New York City, and a part of this video will show you how to get a bus from New York City to Ski Mountain, so stay tuned.
We collide, we break down.
We just got to Mount Snow. Unfortunately, some issues with the bus. We got here pretty late, but we're going to get out and shred and have some fun on this awesome mountain.
With sadness, when
All right, let's get it.
we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, that we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better.
So fun.
Let's go back, let's start again, to a place a long time ago when I kissed your lips. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, that we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can be heartache together. This is the hard way. This is the hard way.
We're at Corinthia right now, which is the park side of Mount Snow. It's pretty awesome. Take a look at this half pipe and these jumps. It's pretty cool. Corinthia has like a serious awesome terrain park. And the little jumps that I just did, they were like the extra small jumps or whatever. I haven't hit a jump in probably like 5 years, so that was an interesting experience.
Make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, that we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can see what we do next. What do we say, Amber?
Keep seeking life and spread positivity.
Spread that positivity, people. See you next time.